Welcome to today's session of Fix It Friday. Today we're covering off production data capture and how we can streamline business processes by using the Versago platform to capture data at the source and put that data into SAP Business One in a real-time fashion. So before, the inventory levels were never correct at the company that asked us to do this because everything was paper-based for data capture. The paperwork backlog created timing issues and a month-end nightmare. Number transposition on paper created errors, and this led to not being able to use things like MRP because they could not trust the data that was in SAP Business One. So using the Versago platform, now they can use shop floor scanning of a traveler to validate the quantity, and the inventory is issued to production order in real time. I'm going to show you how this works. So here we have our Versago platform, and I have a production material capture screen. And I've created an output with some barcodes instead of a quantity entry so that we can capture the proper item and we can validate that proper item. So on the screen, basically, the shop floor employee, instead of handwriting in the quantity, just simply scans the item. It then validates the quantity that should be issued, and the user can then change that if required. And they can then click Save and New if they have another line to capture, or Save and Close if they are done the entry. I'm going to click Save and Close. At this point, that is then an issue to production in SAP Business One. So if we go into SAP Business One and look up that production order number 162, we can see that we've issued that first quantity here in SAP Business One. This is going to lead to better inventory management because now the hard disk is now no longer in stock and our work in progress is updated with the proper issued quantities. So the benefits of this really comes around the efficiency and accuracy of the production data capture and how easy it is for the user to do. You can also see how it leads to accurate inventory because everything's happening in a real-time fashion. And that also is reflected in the accurate work in process because the work in process is getting updated as that inventory movement's happening as well. So administration can now focus on other productive tasks like forecasting and planning, and they can trust the data. So now they can do things like MRP. They can also look at inventory levels on min-max and are capable of managing inventory in a lot better fashion. So that's this week's subject of Fix It Friday. The people that power small and growing businesses need to connect to the business for hundreds of reasons all day long, day in and day out. They need the connection to be reliable and the interaction to be simple. Versago is the platform that enables a business to support key processes and interaction between employees, customers, suppliers, and other partners while staying in lockstep with SAP Business One.